AI art to cash. How I sell. Midjourney designs for profit. If I told you I've sold AI art I didn't draw by hand, for real money online, would you believe me? Most people think AI art is just a cool toy, something fun to mess around with, but not something you can actually turn into cash. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I sell Midjourney designs for profit, even if you can't draw, have zero design background, and are starting from scratch. This is not theory. This is the real workflow, the real platforms, and the real mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create sellable AI art, package it into products, and turn it into actual income. Let's get into it. Part 1. What AI art to cash really means. First, let's clear something up. You're not selling random AI images and hoping someone buys them. You're selling use cases, designs with purpose art that solves a problem or fills a niche. People don't buy art. They buy wall decor, printables, t-shirt designs, book covers, social media, graphics, digital assets they can use. That mindset shift is everything. Part 2. The tool I use. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that creates high-quality, artistic images from text prompts. You type what you want. It generates art that looks like it took hours to create. Why I use Midjourney. Insanely high visual quality, artistic styles that actually sell. Perfect for digital products and print on demand. You don't need to master it. You just need to know how to prompt with intention. Part 3. Niches that actually make money. This is where most people fail. They create cool art instead of sellable art. Here are niches that consistently convert: wall art and home decor, minimalist quotes, boho illustrations, black and white photography styles, abstract art sets, print-on-demand designs, t-shirts, hoodies, posters, mugs, digital products, Etsy printables, journals and planners, coloring pages, children's art packs, business assets, logo concepts, book covers, album art, YouTube thumbnails. Rule of thumb: if someone can use it, they'll buy it. Part 4. My exact Midjourney prompt strategy. Here's the secret most people skip. Bad prompt: cool lion art. Sellable prompt: minimalist, black and gold lion illustration. Luxury wall art style: clean lines, modern home decor, high contrast, white background, digital illustration. Why this works: clear style, clear use case, clear audience. I always include subject style, end use, wall art, t-shirt, printable, mood or aesthetic. AI responds to clarity. Part 5. Turning AI art into products. Once the image is created, here's what I do next. Step 1. Upscale and clean. Use built-in upscaling. Remove artifacts if needed. Adjust contrast or colors. Step 2. Decide the product. Ask yourself, is this wall art, apparel, digital download? Don't overthink, pick one. Step 3. Upload to platforms. I use platforms like Etsy, digital art and printables, print-on-demand stores, personal websites, client marketplaces. You're not selling AI art, you're selling a finished product. Part 6. Pricing and profit strategy. Here's the beauty of AI art. No inventory, no shipping for digital, no production cost after creation. Typical pricing examples: digital wall art, $5 to $15, art bundles, $20, $50, custom designs, $50, $300 plus. One design can sell over and over again. That's leverage. Part 7. The biggest mistakes to avoid. Don't make these mistakes: selling random art with no niche, ignoring resolution and quality, not checking commercial usage rules, overcomplicating your first product, quitting after 5 uploads. This is a numbers game. The more quality designs you list, the more chances you have to win. Part 8. Scaling AI art into real income. Once you have a few designs selling, bundle designs together, create collections, offer custom orders, license designs to businesses, repurpose art across platforms. AI doesn't replace creativity, it multiplies it. If you've been sitting on the fence about AI, this is your sign. You don't need talent. You don't need experience. You just need action. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Digital Cash, Empire One, for more AI income tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.